Good morning, all of you. In class 11, Business Studies, we are on chapter number 8, that is Small Business, according to NCERT. And see, already we started small business. And in this chapter, already I explained you the types of a small business, and in previous class, I explained you, yes, problems of small business. You can see the previous videos. Now, today I am going to tell you about what are the government efforts. So, the topic first was which we completed was types, meanings. This is business studies, small business. Already meanings we completed, types we completed, then problems also we completed in previous videos. Now today I am going to explain you government help, or we can say government assistance. Means what are the efforts taken by the Indian government to help the small business. Okay, so today, see, we are going to do that part. See, yesterday we completed that part. Look at the screen, then you will be able to understand. This one is problems of a small business. Yesterday we discussed about that. Finance, that is the major problem I told you. Raw material. Now because we are doing the government help and assistance today, so first of all you should know what are the problems faced by small business. So finance problem is there, then raw materials problem. Raw material, they are getting less quantity and poor quality raw material. That's why their production is also very below the standards. Then managerial skills, generally they don't have managerial skills to run the business. And even they don't have sources of finance to appoint the professionally qualified managers. Labor problem they always face because whenever their workers are getting high salary, high remuneration, they leave. Marketing skills because they are unable to appoint professionally marketing experts. They are not doing research and development. They are not doing marketing analysis. That's why they have problem. Then quality, they are not able to provide the quality as the multinational companies and big industrialists are providing. Then capacity utilization, they are doing below their level. Generally, their capacity is high, but they don't have marketing skills. Their work is not effectively as well as efficiently. That's the problem they face. Then capacity utilization is less. Technology, generally they are using outdated old technology, old pattern, old method of production, and even they are not trying to use high sophisticated advanced technology. That's their problem. Then sickness, many problems they are facing, and they are unable to cope up with these fast dynamic changes in the business environment. That's why generally they are near to wind up. They face huge loss. See, due to corona pandemic, big industries are working, they diversify their activities. You can see Dettol soap, they are making sanitizer and other things. So big industrialists are capable to diversify their activities. They are capable to launch various products, but small business, they are working generally on one or two products. So they are unable to cope up with the fast changing environment and global competition. That is the main point of Indian small business failure. why the main problem which the Indian small scale industries are facing is they are unable to compete with the multinational companies, with the large scale companies, and they are not capable to face competition because they don't have high tech machinery, they don't have advanced methods of prediction, they are unable to provide the quality as the multinationals are providing, and even the local people are not ready to buy those products. Generally, everyone is ready to buy the status symbol products. Those are manufacturing by multinational companies. And they are, small business are unable to give the advertisement, marketing skills, yes, gift, voucher, coupon, large scale advertisements. They are unable to do that. So people have faith on multinational companies' products. So that's why small business are facing problems. Now, what the government can do? Yes, please. In my opinion, the present government is working for small scale industries and business. See, government assistance to small industries and small business units. Government provides various support measures and programs for the promotion of small and rural industries. You can see Made in India project by the government, launched by the Indian government, vocal for local. These are the variety, or we can say these are the methods, or the government help